Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Google Sheet. Okay. My name is my computer faculty Microsoft Computer Science Concurs. Okay. First what I will do, if you want to go to Google Sheet, first you have to go to your email ID. Okay, I will go to Microsoft Edge. Here I will go to google.com. Okay. Then what I will do, I will go to Gmail. Okay. Here I will go to my email ID. Then you go to this Google app, then you go to Sheets, you have an option called Sheets, you go to Sheets, Google Sheets, then you go to blank spreadsheet. Okay, now here what you do, now in this, suppose here, I want to convert from one language, I want to translate from one language to another language. Suppose if I say Apple, you say equals, you say Google translate. Google start as a function, open the bracket, select the name which you want to translate, comma, EN stands for English, comma, again HI stands for Hindi. Okay, so you start translating what? That is from Apple to same is English. Same thing I want to translate to mango. Again you say equals Google TRANSLAT, open the bracket, select the word, comma, again you say EN, comma, again you say HI, E1, comma, HI, means Hindi, for the bracket. Comma, HI. Google, okay. Google Translate, okay. See, it's converting this English to Hindi. The next function what we have, suppose let's say our function called switch. Switch is for switching to different options. You want to go to each and every option, use switch. Okay. Now first let's say equals, we have function called switch. Suppose I want to switch to the day of the week, particular day of the week. We have one function called weekday. Open the bracket, select the cell, empty cell, then you say comma, suppose here I'll say 1, comma, I'll say Sunday, again comma, 2, comma, I'll say Monday, again comma, 3, comma, I'll say Tuesday, again I'll say 4, comma, I'll say Wednesday, like that. And the last I'll conclude as what? Not a day, not a date. Okay. Close the bracket. It's showing not a day, is empty. Suppose if I say 1, it's showing Sunday. If I say 2, it will show Monday. If I say 3, it will show like that. Okay. This for using the switch statement. Okay. This for switch statement, and this is for Google Translate. Okay. Next what I will do. Next I will show you how to use filter. For filter, what I will do? I take employee details. I will say employee number. Then I will say employee name. I will say employee. Okay. I will say employee name. Then I will say employee salary. Employee department. Suppose I will say name, Naveen, Sam, I will say Ajay, then I will say Kumar, these things. Now some salaries are there. Okay. Then I will say Sunday. Now some departments are there. I will say marketing, sales, finance, again marketing, some salary, I say stores. Okay. And let's say the group, okay, some salary, and you say marketing. Now here what I do, now whichever column you want, whichever department you want to search, that department you give. Suppose I will say EDPT. Okay, here I will say. Then now whatever the column is the same thing, I will copy the headings, Control C, copy and paste the headings. Okay, Control. Now here what I will do. Now here suppose which column you want to search. Suppose you want to search for marketing, that particular department name you give. Now here I will say equals, you want function called filter, open the bracket. Now select the full range, comma, then what you do, select the criteria. Condition is what? My condition this one. Okay, I want to search for the department details, which department a particular employee is working. Okay, then you say Okay. Then what you say? You say equal to, and what is the department name here? The department means it is which position? It is I column, then 13th row, I13. Okay. You say I13, close the bracket, enter. It's showing who are the employees who are working in a particular department. Suppose if it says sales, it should show sales. Like that, this is a filter department. Whatever the department is given, according to that, showing extracting the details. Suppose if I say stores, say like this. If you want to see the formula, press F2. Okay. Here you are given the formula, here press F2. Okay. Like that. See, this is of filter command. Okay.